If you want to take your hosting a website offline without deleting anything, this is the easiest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to put your site into maintenance mode step by step, so visitors see an offline page while you keep full control in the background. This is a great option if you're redesigning your website, making major updates, or just want to temporarily pause public access. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Websites. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed, so find the website you want to take offline. Next, click WP Admin next to that site. This will open your WordPress admin area, where you can manage plugins and site settings. Now that you're in WordPress, go to Plugins, then click Add Plugin. This is where we'll install a simple maintenance mode plugin that lets us switch the site offline without affecting the actual content. In the search bar, type maintenance. You'll see several plugin options, so look for one that's designed for maintenance mode or offline pages. Once you find the plugin you want, click install and then activate. After the plugin is active, go to the sidebar and click the maintenance plugin settings. Inside the plugin, look for the option to enable maintenance mode. Turn that on, and your website will now appear offline to public visitors. Depending on the plugin, you may also be able to customize the maintenance message, add a logo, or show a coming soon page. That's helpful if you want your visitors to know the site is temporarily unavailable while you work on it. Once maintenance mode is enabled, refresh your website in a private browser window to make sure it's working correctly. If everything is set up properly, visitors should see the maintenance page instead of your live site. And that's it. Your hosting a website is now offline safely without deleting your content or changing your hosting setup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.